Because our designs are made to be flexible, it is possible to take a flyer that was designed for one industry and to adapt it to work for a completely different purpose or industry. Let's take a look at an example from our design collection. I am looking to personalize a leaflet design for a travel agency, and I would like a design that has a lot of cool blue colors to give a relaxed seaside feel. If I search for leaflets, I can then narrow my choice by typing relax. This blue design will work best. It's actually designed for a podiatrist, but I also need to adapt the images and copy to make it work for a travel agency. The Quick Quote tool can now tell me how much this specific design will cost depending on quantity and stock differences. Click Edit this design to open the editor. To personalize the fields, click the pink Edit buttons. If you're signed into your account, your contact details should already appear, but be careful to read through the copy to make sure everything is relevant to your business. I'm going to start by changing the text for the travel agency industry. First of all, I will change the context of my header and subheader. I can then change the text color by selecting the text and using the color palette shown here. I have chosen something quite bright and contrasting to give the leaflet a more exotic feel. Next, I can change the main body of text to something more relevant. This will explain what the company's specialities and services are to potential clients. Next, I will change the list of services to be a list of holiday destinations and change the colour of some of them to make them more of a contrast and match my header. To change the images, click the Edit button as with the text to open the image editor. I can then upload my own images from my computer and scale and move them to fit the space using the controls you can see on screen. This design features an instant logo, which means that you can just replace the business name with your own to create a logo effect. You can choose to change the font colour if you wish. I am going to leave mine as I think it complements the foot shape in the original colour. Most of our designs have two versions, one with an instant logo and one where you can upload your own logo if you have one. The last part of the design that needs personalising is a promotion in this circle shape here. Again, I can just replace the text with something more relevant, change the colour and make the text a little bit bigger to fill the space. When adjusting the text size, you may get a warning, as I have, to notify you that the text is too big for this space. In this situation, just reduce the text size down until it fits comfortably into the text box. To review the design, I can use the Preview button, which will remove all of the edit buttons to allow me to see the layout and text more clearly. Once I am happy, I click the Next Step button. There is a reminder at this stage to check my spelling and details are correct. If you want, you can use the spell check function in the editor to double check this. The next stage is where you choose what type of paper or card you want to print your design on. I'm going to choose a medium weight card and get 1000 copies printed. I'm also going to choose the economy service, which means they will be printed in 6 working days. All of these can be changed using the drop-down menus on screen, and I can then add my choice to my basket. The basket stage is where I can choose my delivery options and review my order details. I'm going to select the free saver delivery, which means that once my flyers are printed, they will take up to 3 working days to reach me. If you are in more of a hurry, you can select the next day delivery option, so that your flyers are dispatched to you the day after they are finished being printed. Make sure you check the date shown on the delivery drop-down menu, as this is updated to reflect your choice of dispatch service. Once you are happy, you can continue to the checkout. Check that the delivery address is correct or enter a different address if needed. The final stage is payment. I can select my payment method before proceeding to the secure payment page, where I can enter my card details and make complete payment online. Once your order is complete, you can check the progress of it online via your account.